Welcome to Lesson 5 and Section B of the Living World online course. Now before we begin, have a go at the recap questions from Lesson 4 in Section A. If you have not seen the previous Section A of this course, click on the link to view before starting Section B. So, let's get started. Question 1. A biome is a large global scale ecosystem. Question 2. Distribution means the spread of something over an area, in this case, the world. And finally, question 3. We can describe the distribution of ecosystems using latitude, compass directions, and locational knowledge. So today's learning objective is to be able to describe the location of the tropical rainforest and to describe and explain the climate of the tropical rainforest. So let's get started. And 4. Before we do anything, I want you to pause the video and answer the question. Describe the global distribution of tropical rainforests. 3 marks. When you're ready to check your answer, continue the video. Okay, so let's do some assessment for this. So you get the first mark for the tropical rainforests are generally found between 0 and 10 degrees north and south of the equator. Your second mark, the largest are generally found on the northeast of South America and Central Africa. And the third mark, with smaller rainforests around Asia and Oceania. There you have it, latitude, compass directions and locational knowledge. 3 marks, 3 points. So why are rainforests distributed here? Well, it's because the Earth is not as curved at the equator, so therefore the sun's energy is highly concentrated in a small surface area. That way, it gets really, really hot. As a result of this, lots of heat therefore causes the water in these areas to warm up. This then leads to lots of evaporation, lots of condensation, and lots of precipitation. Hence the name, tropical rainforest. The rainforest now receives on average 2,000 millimeters of rainfall per year, and the temperatures often range between 27 and 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year, making this place a very hot and humid environment. Now in geography, we often show this using a climate graph, which is really a combination of a line graph and a bar chart. The axis on the bottom shows the months of the year. The bar chart measures the rain each month using the axis on the right hand side. The line graph measures the temperature each month using the axis on the left hand side using degrees Celsius. Now, these are ideal conditions for plants to grow and animals to live in. This creates high levels of biodiversity in this biome. In the tropical rainforest, everything is competing for sunlight. Plants and trees need this for the process of photosynthesis, with the more dominant trees achieving more sunlight. As a result, we've ended up with 4 very distinct layers with different plants growing depending on how much sunlight they get. First, we have the forest floor, consisting of litter and decomposers breaking down that matter. We have shrubs that also do not need much sunlight that can grow here. Secondly, we have the undercanopy, also known as the understory. Now this layer is around 15 meters in height. It contains mainly bare tree trunks, however there is a presence of lianas climbing across to reach any sunlight. We will look into this in Lesson 6. Next we have the canopy. Now this layer generally grows up to around 35 meters in height. The canopy gets a lot more sunlight than its previous layers, often keeping them shaded. Also, 50% of rainforest wildlife lives within this vibrant layer. Finally, we have the emergent layer. The emergent layer is everything that is over 35 meters. It emerges out from the canopy to get the most sunlight. The kapok tree is an example of an emergent tree. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more GCSE revision content. Take care.